Come on. Now I am going to solve one problem based on line to ground fault. This is the given problem. A salient pole generator without dampers is rated 20 MVA 136 kV and has a direct axis subtransient reactance of 0.2 per unit. The negative and zero sequence reactances are respectively 0.35 and 0.1 per unit. EAN 1 per unit and a single line to ground fault occurs. Okay. Due to before fault system is under balanced. ABC they mention phase A, phase B, phase C, which means IA equal to IB equal to IC before fault. Similarly, VA equal to VB equal to VC before fault, but during single line to ground fault this is not. Here fault occurs on A phase. So IB equal to IC because fault occurs on A phase, IA not equal. So fault that equal to fault current. They are asking that fault current only. A not equal actually VA equal to VC because fault occurs on single line, IA line I consider. So VA not equal to VB equal to. Let's find how to solve. First, what are the devices they give? They are given salient pole generator. One generator they given. We write the formula for finding a subtransient current, fault current. IF for single line to ground fault equal to ER by Z0 plus Z1 plus Z2 plus 3 into ZF. Actually 3 times ER. We are going to find this only. Z0, Z1, Z2 they are given. Z direct axis subtransient reactance, that means X1 that is Z1. Z1 equal to Z 0.2 per unit. Because a positive sequence during before fault system is under balanced condition, only positive sequence components only present. During fault, two more components will come into the play, negative sequence and zero sequence. Generator has direct axis subtransient reactance. Positive sequence reactance Z1 equal to Z 0.2 per unit. Negative and zero sequence reactances. Negative Z2, Z0. Negative 0.35 per unit. Zero sequence 0.1 per unit. Is it a fault impedance? They didn't give. So neglect fault. Set of 0. ER they given. So first transient current. Unbalanced sequence network. We have to draw the sequence network. So positive sequence, negative sequence, zero sequence. This is positive sequence Z1, positive sequence reactance with voltage source ER. Z1, impedance offered to flow of positive sequence current IR1. Similarly, negative sequence component. It is similar to positive sequence element, except here we are omitting voltage source Z2. Impedance offered to flow of negative sequence component current solidly grounded. Actually, due to insufficient space, I didn't write the full question. In question, they mention generator is solidly grounded. Solidly grounded means draw the generator A phase, B phase and C phase is solidly grounded. Solidly grounded means complete ground pannittom. There is no neutral reactance, that is meaning. Neutral is solidly grounded. There is no neutral reactance. Neutral reactance only Z0. They give the value, so we have to join. Fault, they didn't mention about fault impedance, so ZF no need to show. ZF flow current IR1 touch. So this is VR1, this is VR2, this is VR0, zero sequence voltage. Fault current flowing through single line A phase. Lastல வந்து RYB ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். R phase, Y phase, B phase. In some cases term AB RYB க்கு பதிலா ABC phase A, phase B, phase C they mention. So IF equal 3 into RYB க்கு பதிலா ABC. ஓகேங்களா? அப்போ எப்பவுமே நம்ம ஃபால்ட் வந்து நம்ம ஆர் ஃபேஸில் காட்டுவோம். சிங்கிள் லைன் டு கிரவுண்ட் ஃபால்ட்டில் அதுக்கு பதிலாக ஏன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். தட் பை Z0 EL வேல்யூ 1 angle 0. ஸோ 1 0. Z0 equal to 0.1 into Z1 0.2 0.35 per unit. So calculate the values. We get IF equal to subtransient current in the generator is minus J 4.615 per unit. If we want actual value kilo ohms la venum IF kilo ohms actual value that equal to IF per unit into IB base current per unit equal to actual value by base value. If you want actual value per unit into base IB per unit we found. If we want IB base current IB equal to MVA base MVA by root 3 into KVB. MVAB base MVA they give 20 by root 3 into KVB 13.6 kV. If we solve this value we get base current 0.849 kilo ohms because it is MVA, it is KV. இது கிலோ ஆம்ஸில் இருந்தால் தான் இது நமக்கு MVAயில் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ கிடைச்ச வேல்யூ கிலோ ஆம்ஸ். ஸோ ஐ வாண்ட் ஆக்சுவல் வேல்யூ. ஸோ we have per unit and base value. Multiply பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா we get actual value 4.615 into base value 0.849 kilo ohms. Solve பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா we get actual current flowing through the generator. Like this value I get actual fault current kilo ohms. They also ask the line to line voltage. Line to line voltage. We have three line A B here A line, B line, C line, A B C. Instead of R Y B they gave A B C. So line to line voltage, line to line ஒரு லைனுக்கு இன்னொரு லைனுக்கும் ABC இருக்கா. ஸோ VAB என்ன VBC VAC ஒவ்வொரு லைன்லேயும் லைன் டு லைன் வோல்டேஜ் கேட்குறாங்க, கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். இன் கேஸ் ஆஃப் வோல்டேஜ் தே கேவ் VA voltage across A phase, VB voltage across B phase, VC voltage across C phase. They are asking line to line voltage or line ko across A and B, VAB. So VAB venuna VB minus VA, VBC na VC minus VB, VAC VC minus VA. Magnitude VAB வேணும் அப்படின்னா VB எவ்வளோ? Since the fault occurs on A phase only, usually before fault VA equal to VB equal to VC. Since the fault occurs on A phase only, it only not equal to remaining VB equal to VC. Here VB equal to VC equal to same voltage exists on B phase and C phase. VB minus VA. VB 1.013 minus 1 not 2.25 minus VA. So VA equal to 0. There is no voltage drop. That equal to VAB equal to 1.013 angle minus 102.25. VBC. VB equal to VC. So VB minus VC, that equal to 0. VAC. So VC minus VA. VC 1.013 angle minus 102.25 degree minus 0. So 25 degree we got. This is the line to line voltages. To summarize the problem, they gave one generator with ratings and reactances for each. They are asking two things only: subtransient current and line to line voltages. Current means this is the formula for line to line. This is the formula for subtransient current, fault current. Line to line voltage, ஒரு லைனுக்கு இன்னொரு லைனுக்கும் voltage between two lines. So ABC, they mention ABC, so I follow the same terminology, VAB, VBC, VAC. So difference between the two voltages give the line to line voltage. So I successfully found the parameters. Thank you.